Hello guys, in this video you will see a clip cut from longer video about database structure audit and quality checks, and this time I will talk about seeding data in not so faker way. If you want that full video, the link will be in the description below. So seeders and factories, it's kind of a no-brainer, really simple concept, but important point is not just seeders with factory with fakers, but instead of fake data, make it more realistic. So kind of you would try to fit in the data from real world, like you would try to try on the clothes in the shop, whether they fit or not. So for example, in the user seeder here, instead of using faker, we have specific users for admin, for editor, for authors. It may be totally hard-coded, it may be partially hard-coded. For example, last login may be fake, like 7 days from now. So it's a mix of realistic and fake data, and then on top of that, just randomly 25 users with regular factory. But even that regular factory for users, let's take a look at that. Bio will be filled for 70%, roughly 70% of users. Avatar for 50%. So fake optional is a method for that. So even within faker library, you can get it closer to realistic data, which then will help you feel while browsing the project or browsing the database, whether the data just fits in. So you look at the data and then you see, for example, whether it should be maybe first name and last name as separate columns, or maybe, for example, you see that bio is too short, it should be text instead of varchar, or vice versa. Maybe avatar should be instead Spotty Media Library instead of just one avatar, one image. So this is the example for users table. For another table for posts, we'll get back to database here and see here, demo posts with specific, pretty hard-coded titles, contents, and the data like you would publish that yourself via admin panel or filament or whatever. And you can also ask AI to do that for you, to generate. This was partially done by AI with some manual changes on top. But see, it's not faker. And then for each of that array item, we have post create with pretty realistic posts. And then again, you evaluate whether real data fit in those column types, sizes, and constraints. Also, you may play around with factories themselves, or for example states. So there's general post factory, then there's published, draft, or scheduled. So if you open post factory here, this is the general, accept, and content, and this is, for example, you may play around with length of paragraphs or whatever, and then add published, draft, and other modifiers. So this is the end of that clipped version of the video. My point was to seed more realistic data. Again, if you want to watch the full video, 17 minutes, the link will be in the description below.